Oh hey, I've been expecting you. Welcome to my crib. So when you first enter from, the driveway, you make your way in and, we just have this nice dirt covering on the ground. It's really soft. Sometimes there's like a rock or two that pokes out. We tried to get them out, but it was just really hard. Our original location for our new home was gonna be on like the other side of this canyon, but it was closed. Something about cattle. Maybe it was search and rescue. I'm not really sure. We live here now. Don't fuck with the search and rescue people, okay? Don't do that. We brought our dog with us. Let me just take you to the common area. It's right through this way. So here's our common room. We have the classic fire pit, just as every house in Hogwarts has. And we have some chairs around it to be comfortable. So we have 3 tents immediately around the common room. We have my tent right here. It's nestled between 2 trees. They poked at me in the middle of the night. And then we have the large Grand Poobah tent here. That's where Mom and Dad sleep. This is gonna be just like a ridiculous video. I started off being like, welcome to my cribs. We like I said, this is my room in the Gryffindor house. Obviously Gryffindor because red. Hi, this is orange, literally orange. But there's some red here. Do you see the red? This is definitely red, okay? And then we got green and blue in there. I'm not a Ravenclaw. We got Slytherin. This is where Amanda sleeps. She's as close to me as she could get without being in my tent.
What? There's a whole tree between us.
That's what I'm saying. That's as close as you could be.
We honestly each found like a nice little nook over here. Like
Also,
everyone's pretty nestled.
Also, it would not be a true camping trip if someone's tent didn't almost blow away. We almost lost 3 tents last night. My tent was established and poorly staked. My fault. And we were trying to get Amanda's up. And, yeah, they just started moving. Luckily, Matthew caught the tent. And Harvey and Matthew put it back in place. While Harvey instructed Mina to just stay in her tent and not to move. And it was a very heated moment while 3 tents almost just left the campsite and our home was almost ruined. So we almost had to deal with that. We have Sunny over here and she's panting aggressively.
There was a lot of us nearby. She's fine.
So so this is where the house elf lives. He's gonna give us a tour. We're so lucky to be here.
So this is the living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom.
Wow, look at that tiny phone.
Yeah, it's pretty spacious in there.
He's a house elf.
So much room for activities. The bed goes from one end to the other. It's just massive. But yeah.
Please don't give him a sock because I want to keep him for now.
Yeah,
Wait,
you
Yeah.
There's no way this house elf fits in this tent. Come. We have the house elf container. This is where he puts his bed when he's not using it. I don't know why it's still set up right now, but I'll let it slide for just this bit. And then we have a luxurious little sleeping hammock right here that I'm sure if I touch I'll get yelled at, so I'm just gonna not touch it.
Fine. This is the Divergent house.
Oh. Where's your face? Let me see it.
This is where house elf number 2 sleeps.
Whoa!
Guys. So this is a hammock. Actually, this is very comfortable. He slept here in the rain last night.
It's waterproof.
Put a whole dead body in that. So back here in the back country, this is where we brush our teeth, we urinate. It is our proverbial restroom. Watch out for the cactus in the middle of the night so you don't pick yourself. We just have this nice sitting area. Yeah, there's no chairs right now.
What's sitting area?
So there's no chairs over here right now, but if
nobody is sat over here.
up here, that's where we have the widow's lookout. So when Mom kills Dad, then she can go up there, and the kids will sit on the couch and talk about it. The sitting area, there's just this beautiful view of that mountain, and there's like one tiny little tree that's taller than the rest. Like right up here.
Oh, up on the mountain.
There's a tiny little tree that's just taller. Hi, welcome to my kitchen. So we have our stove here, which is full of dirty pots and pans because we're camping, and that's what we do in the house. We have our 5-gallon water jug. We have a 3-gallon water jug. We have a gallon of water. We have somebody's jacket, some tortillas, and yeah, this is the kitchen. So the kitchen has a beautiful lookout view to the common area as well as the other houses. And then here's our trash bag, and this is our refrigeration system right here. So we have the beige refrigerator and the white one, and then the small blue one. Kitchen, you just come back out here, back to the Gryffindor common room, and coming to my cribs, MTV. It was good hanging with you.
Please leave.
Bye.
Please.
They're back! I fucking knew this would happen! So around our common room, we have currently 3 tents.
You're such
So-
a Hufflepuff.
Can you
She's
stop?
definitely a Hufflepuff.
Good.
100%.